through colorful towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. Each town feels like a postcard brought to life. In Positano, pastel houses cascade down the mountainside to golden beaches. In Ravello, terraced gardens overlook the sea, creating views that seem painted by angels. The scent of lemon trees, the taste of fresh seafood, and the rhythm of waves create a symphony for the senses. The Amalfi Coast is pure romance where nature and human creativity blend into perfection.
Number 5.
Milan. The city of fashion and power.
Next, we arrive in Milan, Italy's most modern and dynamic city, a place where art, business, and fashion meet. Dominating the city's heart is the Duomo di Milano, a Gothic masterpiece that took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Climb to the rooftop, and you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the city and the distant Alps. Step inside the elegant Galleria Vittorio Emanueletto, one of the world's oldest shopping malls, and explore luxury boutiques that define Milan's status as a global fashion capital. Art lovers will find treasures like Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper, a painting that changed the course of history. At night, Milan transforms into a city of lights, design, and sophistication, a perfect balance of old-world charm and futuristic style.
Number 6.
Cinque Terre. The 5 villages of color.
On the rugged Ligurian coast lies one of Italy's most picturesque regions, Cinque Terre, meaning 5 lands. These 5 seaside villages, Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Monarola, and Rio Maggiore, are a rainbow of colors clinging to cliffs above the Mediterranean Sea. Walk the famous Sentiero Azzurro Blue path, connecting the villages with spectacular sea views. Swim in crystal waters, enjoy a glass of local wine, or watch fishermen mend their nets at sunset. Cinque Terre is pure simplicity and beauty, where life slows down, and every view feels like a dream.
Number 7.
Tuscany. Rolling hills and timeless charm.
Few places capture the essence of Italy like Tuscany. Stretching across central Italy, this region is a mosaic of vineyards, olive groves, and medieval towns. It's where you can drive through golden fields, sip world-class Chianti wine, and watch the sunset over cypress trees. Explore Siena, with its stunning cathedral and famous polio horse race. Visit San Gimignano, known as the medieval Manhattan for its ancient towers that pierce the sky. In Tuscany, life is an art, simple, delicious, and endlessly beautiful. Every view feels like stepping into a painting by the masters who once lived here.
Number 8.
Lake Como. Italy's most elegant escape.
Nestled at the foot of the Alps lies Lake Como, a destination of elegance and serenity. The deep blue waters mirror the surrounding mountains and the charming towns that dot its shores. Bellagio, Verona, and Menaggio. Stroll along flower-filled promenades. Visit grand villas like Villa Carlotta and Villa del Balbianello, or take a boat ride across the shimmering surface. Lake Como has long been a retreat for the rich and famous, from aristocrats to modern-day stars. But beyond luxury, it's the peace and beauty that make it unforgettable.
Number 9.
Sicily. The island of fire and flavor.
To the south lies Sicily, Italy's largest island, a place of raw beauty, rich culture, and fiery passion, dominated by Mount Etna, one of the world's most active volcanoes. Sicily is a land where ancient Greek temples, Baroque churches, and golden beaches coexist. In Palermo, the streets are alive with food markets, music, and laughter. In Taormina, the ancient Greek theater offers views of the sea that will leave you speechless. And of course, Sicily's cuisine from arancini to cannoli is a feast you'll never forget. It's a land of contrasts, wild yet refined, ancient yet eternal.
Number 10.
Verona. The city of love.
Our final destination is Verona, the romantic city immortalized by Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Walk through the charming piazzas, stand beneath Juliet's balcony, and feel the timeless spirit of love that fills the air. Visit the Verona Arena, a 2,000-year-old Roman amphitheatre that still hosts opera performances today. As the sun sets over the Adige River, the city glows with golden light, a perfect finale to our Italian journey.
Bonus tip.
From the eternal beauty of Rome to the coastal magic of Amalfi, from Florence's art to Sicily's fire, Italy is a treasure chest of wonder. It's a country where history breathes through its ruins, where food is poetry, and where beauty lives in every sunrise and smile. If you ever dream of a place that feels like a painting come to life, Italy is waiting for you. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more cinematic travels around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming. And remember, la vita è bella, life is beautiful.